having to pull it off. It's a brand new wrap. Locked everything down.
There's nothing, I can drive it to London on Friday. There wasn't any commentary about it being an issue at all. Oh my God, it is beautiful.
The Alpine has finally been collected. Ross from Bertram Cars picked it up yesterday. Over the moon, which is good to hear. It was here 5 weeks, which I think is a new record. I did go away and then we had to wait for material. So technically it was only here 3 weeks, but for a little Alpine, that's still quite a long time. But hey ho, good quality work, takes time. And big shout out to Billy. He doesn't have a tag or a program or anything like that, but yeah, he helped with it. Big thanks to him. The Transporter is well underway, so we're gonna do some of that in this video as well. Rushing Riptide, and then we also have a Porsche turning up for an exterior colour change. Cut to the Alpine being collected, and then we're gonna jump on the Transporter and do some more of this one.
Well, you've kept me waiting for 5 weeks.
Let's go and have a look.
Do it. Well, it looks good already, doesn't it? As a silhouette, they are just fantastic. Okay.
You ready?
I think so. Oh my God.
Yeah, I hope you're pleased with it. I really do.
Well, first impressions are that it absolutely suits the car perfectly. It's got a lovely gloss level to it, hasn't it? And the wheels, I was concerned that the wheels would look a bit too shouty, and they're actually quite, as gold goes, they're a subtle gold, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
It's a low key. And just little details like putting this black rather than coloured just separates the back out. I don't know why they don't do that from factory. Thank you so much.
And the Bertram car sourcing. So in the photos.
Thank you, mate. It's awesome. No, it's exactly how we wanted it. Exactly how we wanted it.
We got to clear up the evidence. Peroni. It's been a few late nights. We don't drink during the day. This happened, which isn't very good. Chunk missing out of it. Sorry, Vinny. I bet Vinny's going to be like, what are you doing? What are you doing? We are fitting headlights. It's like that mystery box thing, in like when you buy a mystery box from eBay. So what bulb has it got in it? Halogens. It's got like these things. DRLs. Well, DRLs, Duralers. Right hand drive. There you go, look, they're not even going to point the wrong way. How to change your headlights in your Transporter. Then what do we need to do? Bumper, right, I need a pot. I've got quite long fingers actually. I'll have you know. Right, undo Z screw. One panel removed. That can go, where can we put that? We'll hide that up here. How to remove the clips from the bumper. Not like that, because it's going to scratch the grille. I bet people are watching this thinking, yeah, right, you don't do that unless you're on camera. I do actually. I'll have you know. 1, 2, 3. Now we've got to get in there and undo some screws in the wheel arch. 3 or 4 under it. Ryan's not getting this low. Oh my goodness, someone's been in here before. 1. You know the worst thing about taking a bumper off on YouTube is you forget one thing and then you're standing there hanging with it. I've done a few of these, so I know where the screws are. There it is, right. Same the other side. Oh my goodness, ow, ow. I reckon you would not fit your head under it. Ow. What's he doing? Oh, he does. They do love a Torx bit, don't they? There's a hound doggy. Camera comes out and she's like, oh yes, look at my bedside. Right, in here is a clip, like a little, look at that. One clip, and then you go like that. Oh no, there you go, that one came out. Right. We need to undo the plug. Yeah. All you have to do now is give it a quick yank. Never had one get stuck on like that.
Fancy bumping into you.
You're such an old fag, aren't you? One of those. 2 bolt. 3 bolt. There we go. 4 bolts. Need to undo the wiring loom. There you go. Does anybody want to buy? Should I model it on like TikTok? Buy one of these headlights today for 99p starting price. We've only got 10 in stock and they're all left-handed. Right, they can go back in the box for the customer. See, plug and play. How am I going to get my sausage fingers in there? See how far that bulb is in there?
It's quite far, isn't it?
Quite far. I'm going to need some tweezers. I'm sorry to be the bad news, but these aren't the right bulbs. What's in the box? Don't put them in upside down because then you'll get the finger from lots of other drivers because you're blinding them. So if you didn't know how to change a headlight bulb, they have a location pin, lug, whatever you want to call it. See? They have a pin, a lug, so they only go up one way. You can put it in that way, but it won't fit properly. And then you'll blind everybody. So put it in that way, and then the pattern will be correct. Right. Big fancy LED bulbs. Where am I going to put that? There's a lot to get in a little hole. There we go. It's in there. We've done one of them. Now, the only thing you will have to go and do, but I can't do it, is your headlight alignment, so that you don't blind everybody. I don't have a headlight alignment machine, so I will just set them to a rough point. Don't really know what else to say about that, but if you fit new headlights, go to your local garage, probably an MOT station, and ask them to do your headlight alignment. 1 bolt. Under here. 1. New headlights in. What do you think? Which one do you prefer? Which looks better? Should we see if they work? Yeah? What we got?
DRL at the moment.
DRL? They're quite bright, aren't they? Vinny, you know what I think you should do to those? I think we should tint them. Dip beam!
No.
Seriously?
Seriously.
Flash is working. No dip beam. No. Do you reckon those bulbs are reverse polarity? Oh yeah! Turn the wires around and voila! See? Told you. Reverse polarity. It does actually have a plus and minus on the plug as well. Because we all know that blue and black is live and negative, yeah? The electricians are going, well, yeah, blue is a neutral. It can be a switch live. Yes, all right, we know. Hang on, I'm just putting my condom back on. Let's change this one quickly. Right, cool, there we go. DRL's fitted to a transporter. Now we can get that handle out. It's like all that. All right, I'm not taking the handle out. Need a rag. There's a rag, that'll do. Right, we are gonna wrap the lower section and then we're gonna wrap the higher section. Cleany, cleany. This van has got some war wounds. I think that's a bit low. Oh dear. This is the weather, mate. It's just too hot. Just all gets clingy and horrible. There we go. We've got a delivery as well. Let's go and have a look at the delivery.
Liquid inside. That's the... Look. What's this one? I reckon they're buckets, man. This is... Oh! Aquagem. What's this for? This is so that when we wash your car, it doesn't get all spotty.
because we are professionals. Apparently. All they've done is fill it up with blue, with blue bubbles. They've done it on the packaging, haven't they? Yeah, save the planet, isn't it? Right, anyway, enough of Save the Planet. What's in the box?
Because you're a Geon certified detailer, is that right?
Go and look at the piece of paper. We are Geon superheroes.
Superhero detailer.
Superheroes. All these are soft grips for my handles on my buckets so I don't get poorly skinned. I thought you were waiting for you to... How many numpties does it take to fix a filter system? It's a Spankit paddle.
Look like a tennis racket.
What kind of tennis rackets do you play with?
Ping pong racket, ping pong paddle.
Anything with a hole in it. How much water do you think is going to come out of this thing? I wonder if it's like going to be like a toilet filter as well. It's going to be like all disgusting. What does this do? This is the system that when we wash your car, we can leave it to dry out in the sun and it doesn't go all spotty. You know when you see that neighbour of you, oh my God, that's heavy. It's going in. It's a happening event.
Here we have Joe doing all as usual.
He's Generation X, isn't he? This is the Porsche, by the way, ladies and gents.
Does it count as a Porsche even though it's got a battery rather than an engine? Here's Joe doing a bit more cool, drinking a beer at work.
Like this, I'm going to turn it around. See ya. We don't go in there, that's the old stuff.
Oh, we're using the brand.
Of course we're using the new stuff. That's right, just throw it all over the floor as well, mate, it'll be fine. Look at that.
I ain't gonna lie, so far we've got about an hour's worth of footage filling one of the 3 buckets up.
Oh, stop filming it then. No, it's all right. Yeah. Pre-wash would probably do the same thing, but every car has to be washed. It smells like sulphur. A lot of them smell like rotten eggs. No wonder I go through it so much. No, not yet. Leave it on there a couple of minutes. Couple of minutes. Do not let dry on vehicle. Wash it.
We like things that make turbo.
Quick, whilst the sun's behind the cloud. Make sure you wash those wheels top to bottom, yeah? It's having exterior wrap 932 graphite metallic. So, it's been washed, it's been cleaned, it's in the bay. That's next week's job. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, hit the bell. See you in the next one.